Dear students, now we are going to solve the question paper problem. So for 4 marks they have asked for the year March 2019. So this we can solve by using two methods. One presently I am teaching you right now, and the other method you can directly see from your textbook. So the method which I am solving is first method. If at all you want solution for this problem for the other method, you can just refer textbook. See, the question is like this: prove that 1 plus a 1 1 1 1 plus b 1 1 1 1 plus c is equal to ABC into 1 plus 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. But here, the method which I am solving, suppose if I has asked to simply prove that, suppose if I has put a condition that prove this determinant without using expansion, that time you refer your textbook method. Here see, we can do like this also. There are 1, see here 1, here also 1, that is 1. How many elements 1 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you do any two operations, minimum at least 2 elements will become 0. But what happened? I feel multiplication with 1 is also very easy. So I have not applied any, in this method I have not applied any operations directly. But the method which I am teaching right now, suppose if I has put a condition, without expansion you have to prove this. That time there is another method is from your textbook. You just please refer your textbook for a second method, because it is already solved example in your textbook. So straight away I am expanding along R1 first row. 1 plus a, here you see that row cancelled, column. At 1 plus a, in which 1 plus a is in first element, that is what? First row, first element. At 1 plus a, you delete row. At 1 plus a, you delete the column in which 1 plus a present. Then these two are there. 1 plus b into 1 plus c, look here, minus 1. This is already I have written here. Minus 1, look here. Here I am showing now, very soon. At 1, this one we have taken. Horizontal get cancelled and vertical get cancelled. That means 1 into 1 plus c, this one, minus 1 into 1. This also I have written here. And now, and last, plus 1 at 1 vertical, at 1 horizontal. Once again you see that at 1, you delete the horizontal, that is row. At 1, you delete the column in which 1 is present. Then these two are there, cross multiplication, 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 1 plus b. This is the thing. So directly I have multiplied, expanded, and finally LHS is equal to ABC, A plus AB plus BC plus CA we got. In that I have taken ABC common factor. I have taken it as ABC as common factor. Take ABC as common factor. ABC common factor. Or dividing each and every term by ABC, or else ABC can take common factor, directly get RHS. Dear students, here this for second method, as second method is already solved in your textbook. So please refer your textbook for another method. But you cannot use this method, the method which I taught right now. Suppose if you have put a condition that prove this determinant without using expansion. So that time this will not work out. So you have to refer your textbook now. So next I'll go for this is the question paper for March 2019. Now we'll go for June 2019. So June 2019 question paper. The question is like this. I'm going to write this question is like this. 1 x square 1x x square 1x x square 1. Determinant, of course, here. Then no second thought, directly see that in every row 1 is there, 1x and 1x square. See here, 1 is there, 1x and 1x square. And here in every row 1x square. That means definitely you can go for C1 plus C2 plus C3 or R1 plus R2 plus R3. See, if you see the row also 1x and 1x square. So therefore 1 plus x square you get common factor. Any direction you can check it like C1 plus C2 plus C3 also you can do, or R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is prove that what is the answer he has given. Look at this. So the answer is given that 1 minus x cube whole square. So this question is of June 2019. June 2019 for 4 marks is asked. But here you see that we must know a minus b whole cube formula first. I'm going to write this formula here. Just note down, this is the formula 1 minus x cube. That is means 1 cube. A cube minus b cube formula is what? 1 minus x into a square plus ab, 1 into x plus b square. So 1 means 1 cube I have taken. This is the formula, definitely I'm going to use it. 1 minus x cube or 1 cube minus x cube. So 1 minus x cube whole square you have to directly, now what I'll do, this one I'll take it as this one I'll take it x axis. We have decided. See that if you see the column also 1, so element 1, after that 1x and x square. So that means both are, only thing is arrangement is different. So here this one will take LHS now. So this one we take it as LHS. And this is the answer to be proved now. Later on we'll see that. This is the answer to be proved. So decided, either you see that 1x square, 1x square, otherwise 1 plus x square. You can go for C1 plus C2 plus C3 also, or R1 plus R. Definitely you get 1 plus here, you see that in the answer. 1 plus x square, you get a common factor. So taking, now I'm going for this operation now, taking whichever operation you want, you can go for it. I'm going for R1 plus R2 plus R3. At S, as a homework, you can try this one in column also. R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is the original body. After this is the, I'm going to do surgery on this body only. After surgery, this is after operation. This is the new determinant because we are working on rows, first row, second row, and third row. First unchanged, we'll see that total how many rows are there? 3 rows. And very simple technique. I'll tell you, beginners, first you go for unchanged. This is the operation we are doing. This is the surgery this is the type of surgery we are doing. Operation. In the operation, first letter, what is visible? R1. This R1, the first whatever it is visible, that has to be deleted. Cancel it. Then these two, R2 and R3 will be unchanged. R2, what is R2 now? X square, 1 and x. And R3, x square and 1. Then definitely now, we'll go for the operation now. So in this case, now operation is add R1 plus R2 plus R3, result to be entered at R1. Definitely R1 you are going to change. We are going to see that new R1. So how new R1 will be formed? By doing the operation R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, R1 plus R2 plus R3, how we can? R1 plus R2 plus R3. So better it is 1 plus x square plus x. That means 1 plus x. Systematically I am writing 1 plus x square. And again here also r1 plus r2 plus r3, x plus 1 plus x square. Systematically we can write 1 plus x square. And again here also x square plus x plus 1, that is 1 plus x square we can write. So in the first row, this is LHS now. In the first row, 1 plus x square is common factor. In LHS, 1 plus x square is common factor. You take in the row wise, no? In the row wise, you have to write 1, 1, 1, and x square 1, x square 1. This is 1 plus x square. Now, dear students, in this, which operation we can do now? Same step I am going to write now here. The same step I'll continue here once again. So I'm changing the color here. Once again, see that LHS is equal to, here I'm writing just without disturbance. So LHS is equal to what we got, 1 plus x square, and what is the determinant you are going to get now here? 1, 1, and 1. I think x square 1 x, and next element is x square and 1. Now we have to do once again surgery on this. Now this is gone. This is completed now. So on this only we have to concentrate now. Which operation I'll do? Look at here. So you have to be very, very cautious before doing this. And what I'll do is C2 minus C1, or else C1 minus C2 I'll do it. Why I'm doing it is C1 minus C2. This will become 0. X square minus 1 means x square minus 1 can be written as what? X minus 1 into x plus 1. And by keeping minus here, it will write 1 minus x also we can write, and x plus 1. And next here, this is what? And x into x, that is equal to x into 1 minus x. So therefore C1 minus C2 I'll do it now. This is the one operation I'm going, C1. Then C2 minus C3 also I'll do. C2 minus C3 also 1 minus x we get. So therefore, because here you see that 1 minus x cube, to form 1 minus x cube here, to form this 1 minus x cube, 1 minus x must be a common factor. So for that reason, I'm going to do now which operation? Look here, which operation I'm going to do now? We'll see that how it is once again. So taking multiple surgeries I'm doing now. So taking C1 minus C2, and C2 minus C3. So once again here it is the new determinant. Please try to understand. This is the new determinant we are going to get. This is the new determinant. But we are working on columns. Therefore, better it is you keep here place for column 1, place for column 2, place for column 3. Now what is unchanged? That is LHS is equal to, here you see now, slowly you can just, this already hope you have taken. Anytime you can write this one by pausing this video. Now here it is, see, LHS is equal to, how much you got now? This is the thing we are solving here now. This is LHS is equal to 1 plus x square. Look at here. Here in this top you see that in the formula what I have written. 1 plus x square. Because answer is 1 minus x cube is needed, right? 1 minus x cube. To get 1 minus x cube, we need one more pair for 1 plus x square matching is 1 minus x. I am searching for 1 minus x now. Okay then. What is unchanged? C1, C2, C3. In the first surgery, first place C1 is visible. Whatever is visible in the first place, that has to be deleted. In the second surgery, first place C2 is visible. Therefore, whatever visible in the first place, that has to be cancelled. That is C3. C3 is unchanged. First you write C3 is unchanged here. C3 1 x 1. C3 is unchanged. Next operation now. C1 minus C2. After doing C1 minus C2, you have to enter the result at C1 only. Okay, C1 minus C2, I'll do it here like this. See here, it is 1 minus 1. And C1 you have to enter 0. X square minus 1. What you can write? X minus 1 into as minus of 1 minus x into 1 plus x we can write. That is equal. Next, this is C1 minus C2. X minus x square. X you take common factor. 1 minus x you get. Sorry, 1 minus x you get here. So you get 1 minus x because x I have taken common factor here. 1 minus x. Now dear students, now once again you see that now. That means new C1 has been formed. So here new C1 has been formed by taking C1 minus C2. First is, next we go for C2 minus C3. So performing C2 minus C3, result has to be written on C2. Definitely result as we are writing in C2 means C2 will be definitely new C2. New C2 will be column 2 will be formed by C2 minus C3. Okay, C2 minus C3 here. 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus x, 1 minus x. And here x square minus 1. X square minus 1 I will write here. X square minus 1 you can write x minus 1 into x plus 1. Here x minus 1 minus of 1 minus x I'll write into x plus 1. That means directly I will simplify it here. Minus 1 minus x into x plus 1. X plus 1. So now here in the next step, the same step I'm going to write here now. Yeah. So 1 minus x cube whole square is our answer first. Then remaining, see that this is the last step you have. So I'll write this step once again. I'll just write this step once again systematically. So with blue ink, now I'm going to write LHS is equal to, so 1 plus x plus x square under determinant. Now we can write column wise 0 minus of 1 minus x into 1 plus x. One on the same here only, and x into 1 minus x. Second column 0, 1 minus x. Here you see that x square minus 1 I have written. No, this is here. This is x square is, once again check it now. X square minus 1 means x minus 1 into x plus 1. Therefore minus of 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Minus of 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Correct it is. Next here minus of 1 minus x into x plus 1. Next third column is 1, x and 1. So this is the determinant. Now we got it, final determinant. So here, so this is the determinant. Now we got it. 1 minus x whole cube is the required answer for us. My dear students, once again check it now. Yes. Look at it. Yeah. So then what you can do now? Look here. In the first column, 1 minus x is common factor. First column, 1 minus x is common factor. In second column also 1 minus x is common factor. First I'll write 1 minus x, first column. That is LHS is equal to 1 plus x in plus x square. First column 1 minus x I am taking. Second column also 1 minus x I am taking. Then first column what? 0. 1 minus x I have taken common factor means minus 1 minus of 1 plus x you get. And 1 minus x you have taken common factor x. Second column also 1 minus x, 0, 1. And 1 minus x you have taken means minus of x plus 1. And next 1, x, 1. Look at it. 1 minus x into, here you see that, this one. 1 minus x into 1 plus x square here. Here you see that formula already I have written. 1 minus x into, look here, where the cursor is moving. 1 minus x into 1 plus x square formula is what? 1 minus x cube. Here you see, 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. This formula is what? 1 minus x cube. 1 minus x cube. And here it is again 1 minus x is there. So this is here. I'm going to write like this, 1 minus x cube. Here it is 1 minus x cube. 1 minus x cube into what is left now? 1 minus x. And I'll write this is, once again it is any other operation. Better we expand along first row only. Plus, minus, plus. So I'm expanding along first row. 0 into anything is 0, minus plus 1 into, come on, 1 horizontal. Still I can do any one operation, but not necessary. Leave it now. So these two you have to multiply. That is equal to minus into minus plus 1 plus x into 1 plus x. 1 plus x whole square minus x. Finish this. You can simplify it now. This is LHS. LHS is equal to 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x into. So after that simplification, you see that 1 plus x square plus 2x minus x plus x. That means 1 plus x square you get. The final result I'm going to write here, LHS is equal to 1 minus x cube into, once again, look at here. So this is the color, 1 minus x into 1 plus x square formula. 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. I'll top already I've written here. 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. Here you see that 1 minus x into 1 plus x square formula is 1 minus x cube. Again it is 1 minus x cube. Therefore 1 minus x cube into 1 minus x cube will become 1 minus x cube whole square. LHS, and this is equal to RHS now. So a bit tricky example is given. So June 2019, and here, so next in this case, I'm going for one more example, my dear students. Look at here. So now last March. Now here I'll go for March 2020, last question paper, March 2020. Here the question is like this: x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, and 2x, x plus 4. This is the determinant he has given. So we have to prove that the answer is 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. 4 minus x whole square. This is the prove that. Here also directly, this is March 2020. So this is the question paper for March 2020. So March 2020, last question paper. And here June 2018, and March 2018. Already repeated question it is. Okay. Now here also directly look at this question now. I'll go for directly taking this one is LHS. So we take this one is LHS now. So we'll be taking this is LHS. LHS is equal to, simple now, look at the answer. See here, first thing is 5x plus 4 minus, there are three factors, 4 minus x into 4 minus x. At least one should come as a common factor. That is not necessary. See that, observe the elements first. C1, C2, C3. 1x plus 4, 2 times 2x are there. Say, here also, 1 time x plus 4, 2 times 2x. Here 1 time x plus 4, 2 times 2x. That means if you observe rows also, column also, definitely one common factor you get here. See that you observe the elements. If you see that row wise also x plus 4 and 2 times 2x. Column also 1x plus 4, 2 times. Only arrangement is in different position. That means here operating or taking. So we'll take the operation I'm going to take now. Take R1 plus R2 plus R3. Any direction you can take. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Or you can even, this problem can be solved by using C1 plus C2 plus C3. Why? Because C1, x plus 4. Here you see that cursor. Where cursor is moving, you see that. X plus 4, 1, 2x, another 2x. Here also say 2x, 1x plus 4, 2x. Here 2x, another 2x and x plus 4. That means C1 plus C2 plus C3. So first here again, before after operation, the space for first row, space for second row, third row. What is unchanged? First we have to search now. How many rows are there? R1, R2 and R3. Last again I'm telling you. In the operation, first visible is R1 is visible. Whatever is visible in the first time in the operation, first position, that has to be deleted. Now R2, R3 is unchanged. 2x, x plus 4, 2x. And 2x, 2x and x plus 4. Now very directly we can write what you get here. R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3. Enter the result to R1. Definitely result you are entering into R1 means definitely you find new R1. So how you get new R1? The new R1 can be formed by taking R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now R1 plus R2 plus R3, you see that. I'm going to change this one now once again. Here with the black color I'm writing R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is x plus 2x plus 2x. That is 5x plus 4. 5x plus 4. Here also 2x plus x plus 4 plus 2x. You get 5x plus 4. Here also 2x plus 2x, 4x plus x, 5x plus 4. Finished. Already we got one answer, one factor we got it here. So here I'm going to take LHS here. In the LHS now. So directly in the LHS 5x plus 4, this is the answer to be proved now. So 5x plus 4 is common factor in the first row. 5x plus 4, LHS is equal to 5x plus 4. I'll take common factor in the first row. So after that, what is the determinant is? How the determinant is 1, 1 and 1 and 2x, x plus 4 and 2x. And here 2x, 2x and x plus 4. Now next what I'll do, last and final operation. Dear students, see that. I'll go for, look here, C2 minus C1. I'm going to put dot, this will become 0. Rest all leave it here. Here this also you are going like this. Here also you are going like this. And next I'm going for one more operation, second surgery, C3 minus C1 I'm going. C3 minus C1 means this will become 0. 2x minus 2x, this will become 0. Then definitely one side of principal diagonal elements will become 0. One side of principal diagonal elements are 0. Therefore, what is the operation we have to take? That you have to be very cautious. So taking C2 minus C1, C2 minus C1 and C3 minus C1. C3 minus C1. Now this is the after operation, the determinant you are going to get here. So there is for place for first column we are working, place for second column, place for third column. First, what is unchanged? C1, how many columns are there? 3 columns. First position in this first surgery, C2 is visible, remove it. In the second surgery, first position, C3 is visible. That is whatever is visible in the first position, that has to be removed. That is C1 is unchanged. First you write C1 unchanged. 1, 2x, 2x. Now operation. C2 minus C1 result has to be taken in C2. Yes, C2 minus C1 like this. C2 minus C1, 0. X plus 4 minus 2x. x plus 4 minus 2x, that is 4 minus x you get. 4 minus x. Result has to be written entered to C2. Next, 2x minus 2x, 0. Now I'm changing the color. Look here. Now, this is first surgery is over. That's the reason here new C2 has been formed comparing to previous one. See, in the previous column 2 is 1, x plus 4, 2x. But in here, the new column 2 has formed. Therefore, new column 2 as you can, yes, new column 2 can be achieved by taking C2 minus C1. Or new column 2 can be formed by taking operating C2 minus C1. Next, first surgery is over. Second, C3 minus C1 you do it and enter the result to C3. So C3 will be definitely new. So new C3 will be formed by taking C3 minus C1. Okay, C3 minus C1 here you see that C3 minus C1, 1 minus 1, 0. 2x minus 2x, 0. X plus 4 minus 2x, that is equal to 4 minus x. Therefore, here the final result I'm going to write. So here LHS is equal to, already we have what? 5x plus 4. The final result I'm going to write here. My dear students, look at here. What is the final result will be? LHS is equal to, hope you can understand, 5x plus 4, here you see that the principal diagonal, this is principal diagonal, but one side of the principal diagonal elements are completely 0. If any one side of the principal diagonal elements are zeros, the value of the determinant can be obtained by multiplying diagonal elements. 1 into 4 minus x, 4 minus x, 4 minus x into 4 minus x, 4 minus x whole square. 4 minus x whole square, which is equal to right hand side. So this is the way you have to learn. The operations are very simple. In the March 2020, that is our last exam, he has asked for 4 marks. This question they have asked for it. See, it's like a game. Really, you never get tense to solve this problem. So only thing is basic fundamental, basic operations you must know well. When you are dealing with the row, your hand should go on horizontal. When you are dealing with column, your hand should move vertically. So these are the question papers. Dear students, March 2018, here I am going to write here, March 2018, June 2018, March 2018 and June 2018. The question is, March 2018 and June 2018 question is same as June 2014. June 2014. All this same question. This is the March 2018, March 2018, June 2018, June 2014 questions. Question is same. All are same only. Already June 2014 I have solved. Same question paper. Same question. Thank you, dear friends. Make a note of this.